Hey guys, this may be the first time I've ever shown my face on my actual YouTube channel, so bear with me here. I need to get better at this. It's actually one of my goals is to start talking to the camera, but you know, with embroidery you really don't have to do that. Yeah, so I just wanted to jump on quick and share a discovery that I've made after 6.5 years of embroidering, that you can actually finish an embroidery project without a full embroidery hoop. Here it is. So as you can see, there's no outer hoop around the finished piece. Which I actually figured out by accident. And this was originally finished in a embroidery hoop with the outer hoop tightened securely, but the hoop broke. And then my original thought was, oh, I'm gonna have to go rehoop that. But then I took a look at it and was like, oh, well, that's actually kind of cute like that. It resembles like a blank canvas that you may embroider on. Okay, so here's my piece. I'm actually in my car on my lunch break right now. As you can see, there's no hoop around the outer edge. And the fabric is finished really tightly around the inner hoop of an embroidery hoop. So I can actually show you here. In there would be the inner wooden piece in a normal embroidery hoop. So typically, at least my embroidery, I use just a normal circle, whatever size embroidery hoop. Typically I'm using anywhere from 4 to 8 inches. And what had happened with this one, which brought me to this discovery, was the hoop, the outer hoop, metal piece at the top. It broke, it cracked and completely broke off when I was one of my craft shows. So I first thought, oh, darn it, I'm gonna have to rehoop this. And then I took that outer piece off and was left with this and looked at it and was kind of like, whoa, this is actually kind of cute. And then I went home and hung it on my wall like so, stood back and thought, this is kind of cool. How have I never known this? And the back here, as you can see, is finished with a running stitch. So my plan is, I think I'm gonna do just a tutorial and show how you would accomplish this. It's the same way you would finish a normal hoop or one of my embroidery kits. I would have that outer hoop tightened securely, and then that's when I would finish the back piece here with the running stitch while I have that outer hoop fully secured. So I'm thinking that would be the way to go with a tutorial, is just finish it as I normally would, complete the running stitch, and then I'd have the opportunity to just take that outer hoop off and be left with a beautiful canvas inspired embroidery piece that actually is not made with a canvas. As you can see, this is just a piece of fabric here that I stitched on, obviously with my stabilizer through it as well behind the fabric piece. But yeah, I love it. I think it's super cute. I just wanted to jump on and really get some feedback and see if anyone else finishes a lot of their pieces this way, and if it's a preference or if maybe you discovered it similar to the way I did. Yeah, I'm curious to hear. So yeah, that is it. Thanks for listening, guys. Happy lunch, happy Wednesday, and we'll see you soon.